Welcome to the VX series first time startup video. We'll go through the first time startup menus as well as setting up our network settings. So I'm ready to turn this on for the first time. We'll run through the startup preset setup wizard. So we'll apply some AC and we'll get this running. Power supply comes on first while everything else boots up underneath. Alright, screen springs to life and we have our first time startup menu to go through now. Menu access is pretty straightforward. We have a rotary encoder, turns left and right to go through menu options up and down, adjust values up and down. If you press, that'll work as a select button, and we have a dedicated back button for canceling out or moving backwards through menus. So we'll just click to confirm that we want to start this setup wizard. First option presented with will be frequency. This will become part of our first operating preset. I'll just click save to take the 98.1. This is a VX1, so it'll run from 100 to 1100 watts. I'm good at 100 watts for now, so I'll just click to save that. We look at audio sources and come up and skim through the menu. So we've got analog left-right as an option. We've got AES1, AES2, two AES inputs on the back. Same for MPX. We've got two dedicated MPX inputs. We've got digital MPX or MPX over AES we can use on the two inputs. I'll leave it at analog left-right, so I'll just click to save that again. And then we'll save that as our audio source. That takes us to the analog level. This will be the level of audio at which the transmitter will modulate at 100% modulation. So if I set it at 0 and I put in more than 0 dBu, I'll end up with more than 100% modulation. If I come in below that, I'll have less than 100% modulation. I'll leave it at 0, that's fine for now. I'll just click save. Audio mode, I'm running stereo, so I'll leave it there, but we could do left mono, right mono, or left plus right mono as applicable. Just click save to move past there. Preemphasis can be done in the transmitter or externally. I'll do it externally, so I'll leave that at 0 so as not to double preemphasize. I don't need a low pass, so we'll leave that turned off for now. At this point, if there's something I overlooked, I could go back and make changes before it saves this preset, but I'm good with all that, so I'll click confirm. And we're taken to the main screen. We can see the output power will be displayed here in watts, reflected power just below it there. We've got heatsink temperature as well as our current modulation percent. I'm sitting around 9% because I'm running stereo, so that's my pilot. Menu access from the main screen can be accomplished by turning the rotary encoder or just by clicking it. That brings up our menu structure. I'm going to want to look at getting my network settings set up so I can access this one remotely, and then I'll be good to go. So if I click in here, I can turn DHCP on and let the network sort itself out, or I can assign a static IP address based on information provided by appropriate IT personnel. To enable DHCP, we'll just highlight the toggle switch here, click to be able to edit it, and I'll go over for turning that on, and then we'll just hit save. As you can see, my options below are grayed out because they're all handled automatically now. If I want to set up my own IP address to assign a static, I'll just go ahead and turn DHCP off, and I get access to these again. So you can come in, you can edit your IP address, press the back button to clear that out if you want to, or save it if you have the value in. You can do the same for NetMask, gateway, and our name servers. At this point, the transmitter will be ready to run. We'll have network access if all those values were entered as they should be. You could take this opportunity to power down, remove the SD card, make a clone of it so you have a backup for this unit for future. We can cover that in more detail in a later video, but for now we're ready to go on air. And that concludes the VX series first time startup video. For more videos like this, check out the included USB drive with the transmitter or Nautel's YouTube page.